my god, there's some ducks.
Oh my god. What the hell?
That's very strange. This is the mimosa that's died. It's been looking like that for the past sort of 3 months, so it's time for it to come down. We gave it a chance. We wanted to give it a couple more months to see if it would to kick in, but unfortunately we lost it, and I'll try and get an image of what it looked like last year as well. This is what they look like in flower, basically. Absolutely stunning. But unfortunately, this one here lost the battle against Storm Eunice and had a rather large chunk of it ripped off. So we're here to sort of tidy that up, try and cut it so we can preserve it, and hopefully it'll be all right. But it's very sad. Unfortunately, the -5 up to -7 we had killed it off. So, but yeah, a bit of general garden maintenance for you guys today. Hope you enjoy it. Everything's starting to come in, colours taking shape. The photinias and over there, beautiful, and all the roses along here are starting to perk up now. So beautiful. is. Sip. Gary. 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 Hello. Just dicking about. How you doing? You okay? Oh, I can notice you're using the Landsy weeder.
Half of it, because I'm short.
Good stuff. Are you almost done at the front?
Yeah, there's just like some big weeds.
Alright, I'm probably going to need your help with this mimosa in a bit.
Yeah, man.
So,
Some time.
give it some time. Get onto this mimosa, cut this down. It's quite sad really, but it is what it is. I will link a description to what it looked like before. There's another video we had, so check that out if you want to, but let's do this. Some of these lower ones off first. Oh my god, who's that? Burglar, quickly!
Help, I'm falling. You're so tall.
These grow very quickly, these mimosas. So if we were to plant another one, probably a couple of foot high, this is about 4 years worth of growth. So they do grow quite quickly. Look at that gorgeous man.
I'm flying without wings. Who's that back?
Yeah, West Side. I think so.
Is it West Side?
Yeah. Quite a lot of foliage, isn't there?
Yeah, mate. Cutting.
I'm going to move this out of the way in case any accidents occur.
What's the kid? Yeah, you might want to just be around this side, really.
Yeah. No problemo, mate.
Because, mate, there's a lot of stuff going on here.
Try to set the camera up so you're not getting glared of the sun, because the sun is over just behind Gary. So I'm trying to set it up so you can see what we're doing. Yeah, let that one go.
There's this one as well, man.
I'll come over with the saw.
Oh, where's that? What a fry, mate. What a fry.
I've got to walk all the way round. I sharpened it the other day. I did it myself. Why? Quite a bit, why?
I was like, okay, it's coming to me.
No.
can't I?
Right, let's mic up. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
Oh, we're kind of getting stacked here.
Hello.
Hello, Alex. It's Jenny here.
Hi Jenny, how you doing? Okay.
Yes, are you coming early this morning?
Yeah, I'll be around about 10ish.
Oh, that'd be fine. That's lovely. Thanks. Only I want to have a chat to you. Okay, see you later.
Alright, no worries. See you then. Bye.
Bye.
Bloody customers interrupting our work.
Over now.
Yeah, go.
One more coming over. I'm just aiming for that big pile I can see. Right, we'll leave the stump in for now.
Things we got to do to get the right angle for you guys.
I'm on a wall right now. I said I'm on a wall right now. Thank you, Maureen. Yeah, that's last year's flower. So yeah, so that would just need cutting out. No, they've not died off. They're just that's just last year's growth. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, love. No, I know.
No, it had to go, didn't it?
Yeah, definitely. That's beautiful, that, isn't it?
What?
That kind of.
Yeah, it's called the Drive, but it's called one of the. It begins with E. Exorus
or something, isn't it? Yeah. The Bride. So you can see why it's called the Bride, though, because it's beautiful white. Yeah.
Usually, I thought it's isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. We should get another one here.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yep, sounds good to me.
Right.
Oh my gosh, there's plenty down here.
Okay.
So there's plenty down here.
There sure is, my friend. I wonder if I could, like, hold on a sec. If I could tie like a little knot, just so it doesn't.
To be honest, I just want to make sure it's how the sound quality is right.
Bloody customers interrupting our work.
I overjoyed that's actually picking up on the interview there.
What's that?
Maybe we don't need to do that.
Things come and go, mate. That's how life is.
Oh my god, there's some ducks.
Oh my god. What the hell?
That's very strange.
They're just
a couple of ducks.
what's going on? What's quacking?
You don't usually get ducks just walking down the road.
Yeah.
Good morning, my neighbour.
What the hell?
That is very strange. They must have got lost. There's no water near here though.
What, like, how did they even end up on the hill up that when the river's like down below that way?
I don't know, that's so odd.
Oh, they're going into someone's drive.
Maybe they're on vacation.
And
Well, you never know. I mean, we take vacations.
on their honeymoon, innit?
They might be honeymooning.
Yeah. Look, love, I found some dinner.
Hello and welcome to the bin, your hotel for the night.
That's it just literally just.
Don't get any ideas.
Would you like some roast duck?
To be honest, I'm feeling a bit hungry now. I'm not going to lie. Pancakes and duck pancakes sound bloody good right now. Now the ducks are in the garden. What the? Hello, Quacky. Hey, Maureen. Yeah. Come have a look what's in your garden. What? Come have a look what's in your garden. Ducks.
Oh my god.
That's a bit weird, isn't it?
It's a man and a woman. I've never seen that before.
You haven't seen that before? No, I've never seen ducks over here.
Oh, I wish I could get my phone as well, because people won't believe me.
Well, I've got it on film anyway. Yeah, I know. The ducks are in the back garden. Hello. They're down here. Yeah. That's so strange. It is, mate. Okay guys, so we are done on the mimosa. It's a shame to see it go, but unfortunately the winter beat it this time. We'll get something in its place. Might put another bride in there just to fill up the gap, but we might let the soil rest for a while. But thank you so much for watching, if you made it this far. And like always guys, if you enjoyed the content, consider liking and subscribing, that'd be awesome. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.